TV.
A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for car, D for doll, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. A for aeroplane. Now after A, what will be here? It's a B. So B. B for ball. Then C. C for car. Then after C, there will be D. D for doll. Then E. E for elephant. Now after E, here is F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. Then H. H for horse. After H, there will be I. J. After J, there is K. Then L. Then M. N. O. After O, there is P. Then Q. Then R. R for rat. Then S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Then W. W for watch. Then X. Y. And Z. Z for zebra. Let's color these fruits. I'm coloring mango. What color is this? Yellow. apple. I am coloring apple. Grapes. I am coloring grapes. Watermelon. I am coloring watermelon. Cherry. I am coloring cherry. Next is avocado. I am coloring avocado. Banana. I am coloring banana. Strawberry. I am coloring strawberry. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.
Chhotu Motu TV.